everybody, it's Maggie, your fairy godmother of trading. Over the last 2 months, implied volatility and market volatility have kind of eased and now is pretty flat. That makes trading a lot easier because we don't have the big movements during the day or unexpected movements on announcement. We've got a smooth, steady climb going on. And so, last week I didn't record Inside My Brain. I was at a conference where I got to meet Martin Luther King III and his wife, Andrea, and they've got a project on I wanted to tell you about. They're collecting volunteer hours on their website, and the goal is 100 million service hours by Martin Luther King's birthday. Their idea is to bring communities together for good rather than all the, quarreling and name calling and so forth that's going on out there. And I am so in favor of that. So the website is realizethedream.org, and you can sign up and record your volunteer hours each week. And I hope you do. I really sincerely hope you do. So this coming week, we've got 2 economic announcements that could kind of rock the market a little. One is the CPI on Wednesday morning at 8:30 Eastern, and then the next day is the PPI at 8:30 Eastern. I don't expect any long-lasting ripples through the market. I think it'll react and then calm down. What I am watching very, very carefully is the FOMC and their reaction to everything that's going on, because they're in control of interest rates in the United States. And as you know, there's a little bit of a squabble going on between Trump and Chairman Powell of the FOMC. Trump wants interest rates lowered immediately, and Powell is saying, let's wait, let's make sure we're not setting ourselves up for another recession or even depression. He relies on the data and analyzing that. Now, I'm more in Chairman Powell's camp than I am in Trump on this. I think we should always be cautious with our economics and our economy in the United States. So how'd I do last week? I had another great week. My gains for the year are up to 162% right now. Now, I'm still getting a lot of comments out there like, you're so full of horseshit. Nobody gets those kind of returns in this market. Well, I do. And if you doubt me, come on board, watch me trade. I trade live. I send out alerts. I explain the how, when, and so forth of each and every trade I'm considering. And as groups, we talk about the different trade possibilities. So, I think we've got a great service, and I hope you try us out. For next Thursday's webinar, I want to do a real deep dive into all the factors that cause prices to go up and down. Understanding those factors and when they occur will help you know what to do, when to exit, when to enter, and so forth. So hope you join us, and thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.